guys, welcome back to your own YouTube channel Tech Techno, where we bring you quality tech content and make your life tech-delicious. So guys, we have come up with one more new video where we'll be talking about Bertelsmann Udacity Scholarship 2021. So a huge opportunity in the digital world is awaiting for you. Do not miss this opportunity. So before we start this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends so that they also do not miss this amazing opportunity. Udacity Scholarships 2021 is offering scholarships to students from all over the globe. Bertelsmann's company would empower many people and boost them to be as successful professionals in the digital world by providing a technology scholarship program. Bertelsmann Company has funded more than 50,000 students over the time period of 3 years. So students above 18 years can apply for this scholarship. It consists of 2 stages for the selection. The candidates can apply in diverse fields of study including data science, artificial intelligence and cloud computing. So without further ado, let's start this video. So once you're on this page, the link to which would be provided to you on the description box, you will reach the Technology Scholarship Program, where you can earn a scholarship to learn in-demand cloud data or AI skills. So if you want to learn in-demand data, AI and cloud computing skills at Udacity, the Bertelsmann Technology Scholarship Program is open that funded by Bertelsmann Company. The applications are invited from interested learners 18 years of age or older. So you can learn valuable tech skills with Bertelsmann. You will have hands-on learning which will learn valuable skills to launch or advance your career in an increasingly tech-driven economy. You will also benefit from a world-class curriculum designed from the tech jobs of today and tomorrow. This will not only upskill you for career but will upskill you for the thousands of tech-related jobs companies like Bertelsmann are hiring for. So the program is a 2-stage award that opens all students who are interested in cloud computing, data science or artificial intelligence. So it works like the purpose of the program is to increase learning opportunities in emerging technologies to students across the globe. As a media service and education company, Bertelsmann operates in about 50 countries and more than the world. The mission of Udacity is to power careers through tech education. So this is the brief description about the program. Talking about the tracks, it will have cloud track, data track and AI track. So these 3 different types of tracks will basically are kept to apply for you in the particular interest that you have for yourself. So these are basically challenges that you have to perform. So students across the challenges will expand their knowledge about Microsoft Azure application, get an introduction on basics of machine learning and artificial intelligence and application in business. So you can see that you can expand your knowledge about Azure Cloud and learn how to create web servers through interactive hands-on exercises. You can get introduced to business analytics and learn the basics of how data is being applied in many industries and how to use spreadsheets to analyze and summarize the data using statistics and data visualizations. You can also expand your knowledge in supervised learning by evaluating and optimizing different supervised learning algorithms as well as evaluating, comparing and tuning models according to the constraints. You can experience in developing apps and manage cloud infrastructure, familiarity with network concepts as well. You will also explore services and tools through interactive hands-on exercises offered by Azure Cloud Services. You will be basically capable to deploy and build full-stack apps on Microsoft Azure and polish their web development career. You will not only learn business intelligence and predictive analytics to resolve business problems in the world, but will also build skills and develop AI products in order to compete with the AI-powered world. So this is all the basic introduction about the 3 courses that you will be participating in. So this will be open for 15,000 seats and any student of 18 years or older can apply for all over the world. So from 15,000 seats, 1,600 seats will move forward for the Nanodegree program. The Nano Degree program is again divided into three categories. That is Azure Cloud Architect, where you can learn to plan, design, and implement secure cloud infrastructures in Azure at scale. Then we have Business Analytics Nano Degree program. You can learn foundational data skills that apply across functions and industries. Then you have Introduction to Machine Learning and TensorFlow, which will learn fundamental machine learning algorithms starting with data cleaning and supervised learning models. Then move on to exploring deep and unsupervised learning. At each step, get practical experiences by applying your skills to code exercises and projects. So you can see the level of these nano degree programs as well. One seems to be a beginner, other seems to be intermediate, and third one seems to be advanced. So you can basically apply for particular nano degree programs depending on the level of knowledge that you have. So all the willing applicants just apply by visiting the official website. So when you can scroll down, you can see more about the Bertelsmann at a glance. So what are the scholarship timelines? This is the main part here. So application phase starts on October 5 and it ends on November 30. But I would suggest you to apply earlier so that the seats are not full. When the challenge will start, it is December 14 and then you can see other details as well. You can also see various FAQs like who all can apply. So anyone 18 years of age and older is encouraged to apply for this internship program. So this includes 2 to 4 hours per week during the challenge course and about 5 to 10 hours per week during the nano degree programs because they would require more of concentration regarding the course. So you can see the prerequisites for the cloud track, data track and AI track. Since data track and AI track are an intermediate program, so not much prerequisites are required for this. But for the cloud track, you can see that you should have 2+ year experience in developing apps or managing cloud infrastructures that have been deployed using Microsoft Azure. So please choose your track wisely depending on your particular interest level. Guys, if you're liking this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. So once you can see more FAQs, that will be very helpful for you to decide your particular level. So the program takes place 100% online and it doesn't require your physical access anywhere. So you can see details as well. The phase 1 challenge course is during the first phase of the scholarship that students work through one of the 3 initial challenge courses that would be dependent on the interest level of yours. Applicants should be prepared to invest about 2 to 4 hours per week during this period. And the scholarship recipients participating in this initial phase of the program will engage with classmates in a robust, actively managed student community. So you will also be given a final assessment for this. So once you are done, 1600 people will move forward for the full nano degree program. So you have new learning content where you have new challenge courses as well as other nano degree are being offered. You will see that the other things have been also added to this course as per the previous year's courses. So you can apply for this only one track. You cannot apply for more than one track. So please choose your track that you are most interested in. So you can see when will the results be announced and how you can particularly see the deadlines of various tasks. So the participant can study in their own schedule and there is no timing for anything in this particular scholarship. When you scroll up, you will click on apply now for applying for the course. So once you are here, you will see the nano degree programs, the 3 that we talked about in detail since so long. So first is business analytics, then we have Azure cloud and then third one. I'm going to go ahead with business analytics and click on submit application. You can fill in your particular details and fill on submit application. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends so that they also benefit from this scholarship program. Also, do not forget to mention any program answers or anything else that you would like to see on our page. Thanks a lot. So once you're done with filling all the informations, you will just accept the terms and conditions. If you do not wish to receive any marketing emails, just cross-check it and mention the name that you would like to see on your certificate. Just mention in your name and click on submit application, and you are just ahead, one more step closer for this particular scholarship program. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such amazing content.